Hi, I'm going to show you how to do a factory reset on this Poco M6. First, let's go to settings. Additional settings. There's just factory reset here. Factory reset. Okay, erase all the data. Okay. Ask me whether I want backup or not. I do want backup. Factory reset. There will be a warning. Erase all your data, include photos, songs, notes, and other personal information. Just press next. Make sure the data for me only. And yep, just click OK. Factory reset. Just leave it here while waiting. Take a while to reset. Okay, now it's resetting. Rebooting now. Poco M6 I find it take quite a long time to boot up than Poco M5. It's strange, why is it taking so long to boot up? Still taking a while. Meanwhile, if you have any comments, please put in the comment sections on your experience of Poco M6 or any other things you have in mind on Poco phone. Okay, go for Xiaomi. Okay, now it's putting up. It take quite a while. Okay, while waiting, right, like guys see this phone behind. It looks nice with a nice case, but I don't really like this one. It's a bit heavy and the battery is very hot. Still take a while. Don't know, is it hang or is it? I think it's still reading, so maybe it take a while to erase the whole phone. For factory reset. And let's look at the safety information. Oh. Okay, now it's ready. It's reset. Factory reset. See, it's not that sensitive. I find. Okay, that's it. Factory reset. Oh, yeah. Basically, that's done. I won't be setting up anymore. So factory reset. Okay. Yeah, now it's done. I'm going off it. Just showing you how to factory reset the phone. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.